Welcome to the best PHP Editor / IDE Showdown. Today, we will compare popular choices head-to-head to help you find the best editor for your PHP development needs. First up, we have PHPStorm. Known for its robust features and excellent debugging capabilities, PHPStorm is a favorite among many PHP developers. Next, we have Visual Studio Code. With its lightweight design and vast library of extensions, Visual Studio Code is a versatile option for PHP development. Moving on to Sublime Text. With its speed and simplicity, Sublime Text is a popular choice for those looking for a no-frills editor that gets the job done. Last but not least, we have Atom. Known for its customization options and community-driven development, Atom is a great choice for those who like to tailor their editor to their specific needs. So, which editor is the best for PHP? It ultimately depends on your personal preferences and workflow. Try out a few options and see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.